BGC, the city that refuses to slow down. The world may be worried about war. Markets may be worried about oil. Investors may be worried about inflation. But companies still need offices. Executives still need homes. And talented professionals still need places to live. That's why Bonifacio Global City remains one of Metro Manila's most resilient districts. The beauty of BGC is not simply its buildings, it's the ecosystem. People can live, work, dine, exercise, and socialize within minutes. That convenience becomes even more valuable when uncertainty increases. The world may be fighting, BGC is still hiring. Before buying in BGC, ask a different question. Which buildings are attracting actual tenants today? The answer may surprise you. Because Housing Interactive handles both leasing and sales, we see demand patterns long before they appear in market reports. Anyone can find a property. Housing Interactive helps you understand whether it's the right property, at the right price, at the right time.